Hello, welcome to an unboxing. I was already tempted and you can see green there. So, let's see who's in this. Oh. Okay. Behind door number 1 we got this new spring bean. And now let's see what's behind door number 2, and I'm pretty sure I know who this is. The last big guy I need to complete the big guy collection. Get out. Do you mind getting out? She, a miss, ma'am, whatever. Because it is a girl. It's open. Open. There, it's sunshroom. Big sunshroom. Here's the package. Bye. Okay, let's open. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch your tiger by the tail with a yellow gun. Go. No, my business is to pick the very best one, and you are it. Now let's do this one. Okay, here he is. Not exactly how I expected him to be, but pretty cool nonetheless. So, he's got a cool spring thing on the bottom, but these I might cut, maybe. I might do some modifications to this guy. He's got a cool spring on the bottom. And I don't have this guy. Here's the big guy. Oh. Does this one need... Wait. How the heck do you open this one? There's actually, there it is. But look, there's no way of opening it like this one. I could just go straight through, but I think I found a way to open it on this one. Just rip it, rip through like no one cares. Rip through like nobody cares about you. There we go, finally. I managed to get it ripped. And here it is, the big sunshroom. Big sunshroom. Pretty cool. This is I believe this is an actual PVC plush. This is like, yeah, it's this is an official plush. This is the official plush. So if you think it's not, it is, because here's some proof. On the tag it says PopCap is a 2013 Electronic Arts Inc. PopCap is a trademark of Electronic Arts Inc. So this is an official plush. Okay, so that wraps up our unboxing. This is my very first unboxing on the channel. But here it is. Nice.